So this is a little bit of a different trip. We are up in central northern Ontario. We are doing a fly-in fishing trip, flying to Remote Lake, taking my son, my brother, and two of my uncles. I did this trip when I was a kid. My uncles took me when I was 16 to go fly-in fishing up in Ontario, and this year we're taking my son because he just turned 16. So we loading up 2 separate flights. We'll be going to a remote lake, kind of middle Ontario, and we're gonna see how many fish we can catch and what kind of fun we can have. So follow along and let's see what we can catch.
Dude, we got like 2 more lakes.
Yeah. So they just went out for a little boat ride, test the engines, teach each other how to start and stop, and see how that goes. We're just getting settled in here. I'm gonna start dinner here in a little bit, and having a really good time. It's really quiet, really cool spot. I really like the different cabins, one for the kitchen and one for sleeping. Hopefully we catch some fish tomorrow. Looking forward to it. What? You got fish? You're dragged, dude. Oh. But you still got a fish. Okay, good. There you go. Take it easy. Pike.
Ooh, yeah.
You got it on video?
I think so. Is it? Oh, it came off.
Oh man,
That's why we need that net.
We decided to come on to one of the islands. We're naming this one Dexter Island.
oh boy. Burst of energy and it goes. Yes,
Tighten your drag. Or you just keep her in. I'll do it.
dude.
Stop.
It's.
Stop.
Oh my gosh, it came off.
What was it? A bass?
Yeah.
There we go.
I'll help you.
There we go. We all caught a smallmouth now.
This is a good, not a bad one.
All right, come on, get it in. Got it.
Oh, it's
You just get him.
no.
Yeah, you did.
Well, I hooked him good. That would be considered good. Oh, he bit me.
He's just
Charlie bit me.
Is that what his name is, Charlie?
You want to take a picture of me?
Yeah, I can do it.
He's got
On
some
my phone?
teeth. Yeah, why not?
All right, now move the boat. Get me on the snag.
All right, one sec. First Canadian smallmouth. What did you get? Smallmouth or?
Here. Yeah!
Oh! That's a nice one.
What is that?
It's a walleye.
Shit, yeah.
Look.
Whoa, yeah!
Nice.
Well.
Oh, that's the keeper.
Yeah, you gonna keep it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Put it on the string.
No. It's the second full day of fishing. There we go. So, Dexter caught a 39-inch pike. Biggest fish of the trip and bigger than any fish I've
I
ever.
want it to die or whatever. I kind of do, so I don't want to eat it. That is 39 inches.
That's bigger than I've ever caught.
Dude, oh, you okay? Oh my
Yeah.
gosh, I said I wanted a 38 incher, and I got a 39.
All right, now he's got a huge thing. Now
Oh my gosh,
let's
you're
put him
right.
down in the water.
How heavy is he?
Got him. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Get your stuff out. Get your
the net.
Go slow.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
No. Got
him.
Okay.
Oh, he's
Yep.
feisty.
Hold. Okay. Okay.
Just caught a pike, probably about 22 inches.
We can't eat this one, can we?
Who got the pike?
Josh did.
Oh shit!
Nice.
Oh shit! Oh fudge!
Oh shit.
Did he rip
Just
the
went
net?
through the friggin' net.
Did he rip it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god!
Where's the net ripped?
It's right here.
Oh.
I'm sorry. I guess we need a better net. That one.
Smallmouth.
Yep.
You want a picture?
I'm good, thank you. That's a good smallmouth.
Yeah.
Yeah, take a picture of me, would you? Thanks. Got one?
Ooh, he does.
No. What is that? Walleye or smallmouth?
Large one.
Largemouth? It is kind of fighting differently. Now put the net in the, so just below,
Oh no, it's a smallie.
and then he brings it over to the net, and then you just lift up the net. So
Just wait.
put the, no. Okay. It's a good size smallie.
Nice.
It's a nice background. Look behind him. Look, that's pretty.
Oh, you're talking about my back. Oh, that's a pike.
Oh, Josh.
He's a good guy.
Keep him in the water. Keep him
Holy
down.
moly.
Put your rod tip down.
That's a nice
Let
one.
him just chill.
Should I pick him
Okay.
up?
No. Go.
Yeah.
Clamp it hard. It should snap.
Wait, you got the
Close.
fish thing?
Well, I got my.
Get the measuring tape? Down.
Put the end of it to the tail. There. No.
What does it say?
25.
Alright, this is 25 inches. That's nice.
25-inch pike. Josh trolling.
All right. It's 4 pounds 4 pounds 14 ounces.
Oh, nice. That's like
Then that's fine. Yep. That's.
5-pounder.
This is a half one.
So we're here at 3 sisters. What do we call these? 3 daughters or 3 sisters? 3 sisters.
They always catch yours and not mine.
And there's some nice little crappy rock bass over here.
That was close.
All right, we're good to go.
That would have been the second one.
So that's a Rocco from Canada. Say hello to your Michigan friends who I always see.
Pellets. 8 more.
You want this piece?
I've had like.
When you least elected, you're elected. You're the star today.
Oh, yeah, smallmouth. Good job.
Smallie.
5 inches. That's like our river size some days. Ooh. That's a better one.
More of a keeper.
Yeah. Well, it is day 3. Got one more day after this, and then we get picked up the following morning at 8:30 a.m. We Got out here probably around 9 o'clock today. We had a little bit of a rainy day on and off yesterday and had some good success with some pike, some walleye, a few smallmouth, and the other guys caught some largemouth. So today we're kind of hitting these bays that are close to the cabin and seeing if we can catch any smallmouth, pike, or walleye. It's been good so far. Weather's good. Little wet, but we're still working through it. Gotcha. Rocky.
Oh,
It's a smallmouth. I thought it was something.
There you go, Joe.
I'm on the board. Snaggerino. Fish. Fish. Oh, you know what this is? Get that net.
Is it a
Big walleye.
First walleye?
Yes. Big walleye. Ready?
Ooh. That's a good one.
And he just came off. Keep him up. Don't let him flip. Keep him up. Oh. There's a fish down there. Did you get one?
I got one.
Do you want the net? Big smallmouth. It's a big one. Oh.
Let me reel in this crankbait. With the knees.
Oh, I can't believe you got that. That's a good size.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
Take a picture of that one.
Okay. Look at this. Look at this. What is this, Josh? Is that the bald eagle? Dirty eagle?
Dirty bald eagle.
Okay. I got something. Big another walleye. You want to get the net?
Oh, dang, that is a good one.
Yeah.
Bring it over here.
Hurry up before he tosses it.
That's even better than your other one.
Yeah, for sure.
You're at your limit.
I'm at my limit. So what is the best way to catch or to hold a walleye?
Yeah, I mean, you gotta be careful, I think, but...
Ooh. Yeah.
Yeah, baby. You have the net, so... Ooh, that's a pike. Let it chill. Let it chill. Don't bring it up too much.
I got him. Oh, okay. No leader, just braid.
Yeah, baby. Not too bad. It's like respectable, but not big.
22. 22! 22-inch pike. Should I keep it?
$22?
10-4.
Sure.
So, taking a little break. It's the last full day. Everybody else is still out fishing. Dexter and I took some time to clean up, to tidy up, and to get a little head start on the arrangements before the plane picks us up tomorrow morning at 8:30. I took a shower. Feels kind of nice. Didn't catch any fish today. I caught a few rock bass, but the bite's pretty hard. I think the cold front that came through kind of killed the bite. A lot of the fish are down low. We're seeing a lot of them at 45 feet along the sort of valleys within these kind of rock lakes. But we'll see how the other group does. They were doing some trolling and decided to hang out and see if they could find some more. So we'll see. This kind of trip has been kind of a family tradition. My grandfather did it with his kids when his boys turned 16. My uncles did it with me when I turned 16, also with my brother. And now this year we're continuing it with Dexter when he turned 16. Now, it's something that we enjoy, getting everybody together. And fishing up in Canada, remote Outpost, is kind of, there's nothing like it. And especially to be on a lake that we can explore and kind of get some good catches. It's been an amazing time. So thanks for watching. If you like and subscribe, and hope to see you again soon.